Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to bring you another mystery box from HMV. In this video, we're going to be looking at the pop culture box. It's $14.99, but it says it has a minimum retail value of £30 and you get at least 5 items. So I don't believe I've bought one of these before, so it's going to be super interesting to find out what we have inside. The box isn't super heavy. I have opened it, but I have not looked inside it. I've been very restrained. I wanted to get this video done just so I can see what's inside it too, because I don't have patience. But let's go ahead and open the box. Let's open the box. Well, the first thing I think we all can see is this item here. This is an Elvis Presley official ceramic mug. Nice picture of Elvis. It's got a printed signature. It is, I'm assuming, a licensed product. Normally cups go for about, in HMV, anything from £5 to £10. I would probably put this one at a fiver. That's what I would say. It's a nice portrait mug of Elvis. Definitely not something that I will keep, but may donate it. The next thing we have, I can see it poking right out, is what is this? The Bad Batch. The Bad Batch. Oh, Star Wars pencil case. It's a Disney product, Disney licensed. These are probably worth £2 or £3. To me, they're worth £2 or £3. I don't know what they are like on Amazon. Just inside is some foam to keep its shape. I mean, I'm probably going to put this at £2. Not a bad little pencil case. It is plastic. You see Star Wars, the Bad Batch on the side. Same on the other side. Zippers, really, really good. This again, another great donatable item. I can donate this to the charity, and it is a useful thing, a useful item. So I'm going to say, so far, given these two items, we probably have £7 of our $14.99 back. What are these? Postcards. I hate getting postcards. But, oh, this postcard is actually quite nice. It's an Outer Space, now belongs to 007. It is the Moonraker. I think it is the film's poster in a postcard form. These postcards are probably worth 50p, even if they're worth 50p. I probably won't keep these though. And we have another 007 one, and it says, far up, far out, far more, James Bond 007 is back. I'm not actually sure what... Oh, on Her Majesty's Secret Service. You guys couldn't see it because I had it up here. Not a bad little postcard. I won't and don't use nor keep postcards. So still probably to me worth about 50p. Game of Thrones. Huge fan of Game of Thrones. I think this is really neat. I probably will keep this one. But again, 50p. And how could you not have this one? And I actually, sitting off to the side, have a little frame that I think this would be beautiful in. This just happened to be literally sitting off to the side. So I love Daenerys. I think she is fantastic. So this is definitely something, again, I will keep. But again, probably worth about 50p. What is this? This is a weekly planner. I'm assuming this is Harry Potter related. This is Pyramid, the art group. It looks very Harry Potter. There is a ding right here on the side, which is never great, but the box did come in another box. It wasn't really protected, so it probably did jiggle around a little bit, but it is exactly that, a weekly planner. What I like about this is that you can put the month, the week, and how urgent it is. I always hated getting these boxes because I always got a diary, which I hate, because they're a one-off diary. You use them for 1 year and then they don't make sense. This one's great. I like high. I like how slim it is, which is great. I like that it's got these ring binders on it. I love the fact that the top of the page, you guys may not be able to see it, is perforated. So when you're done, if you want to remove it, you can remove that page and continue on. There is quite the number of pages in this book, which is really, really nice. So not bad at all. I mean, a Harry Potter weekly planner, probably £5. And I don't even know if I would pay fully £5, but for this instance, we're going to say about £5. So I think with what we've got so far here, I think probably we have about £14 worth. There is still something in the bottom which might bring us up to that value, but I'm not sure. But I'm estimating probably on the in and around £5, £10, £14. Don't even know if they class these four as an item or they're 4 individual items. They may class them as 4 individual items, but I don't know. Oh, we have 2 more things in here. Wow. Okay. We have a little Friends pin. This is an enamel pin, and it's off the chicken, which got, if you remember the episode of Friends, it got stuck on Joey's head. It got stuck after he put it on his head. But that's pretty neat. These enamel pins, £2-3, I would say we're probably up to £16. And there is, I believe, yeah, one more item in this box. And it is, what is this? Okay, this is Marvel Comics 23 magnets. This is pretty neat. The fact that you're getting 23 magnets in it is pretty awesome. I'm looking for a price. I don't think they ever put prices on these ones because they're putting them into mystery boxes. And guys, just as an FYI, they tend to put in these mystery boxes the things that they can't sell. I totally get it. I know I'm buying a mystery box based upon that, but and some of the stuff we get is completely random and I will never keep. And some things I do genuinely keep. I mean, the weekly planner will go to someone. The pin, I will probably put that in a giveaway. I am going to keep some of these little cards. And what I might actually do is make this box up as a giveaway box and do a little mystery giveaway. Who knows? But inside you do get 23 magnets. I don't think I'm going to keep this. I probably will put this also in the giveaway. So this is the magnets that you're getting inside. I mean, this is pretty decent. It is a licensed Marvel product. The Pyramid Group, it's licensed. This is probably, I guess, another £5. I would say we've probably hit just under the £20 mark. That's okay as long as I'm getting my money back. I don't really mind that at all as long as I'm getting the value for my money. I probably won't sell any of this stuff. I probably will do a giveaway or put things in the charity box. But it's still fun opening these boxes. I still think it was worth the $14.99. I still think I got value for money, maybe a little bit over value for money. None of this stuff really do I want to keep, but just opening the box gives me a lot of pleasure and also sharing it with you guys. So let me know in the comments section what you thought about this box. Have you ever bought one? What did you get inside? Were you happy? Were you sad? Did you keep it? Did you donate it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm always interested in finding out what you guys have done with any of the boxes you've opened. But I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, you're amazing. I would love if you guys are watching this video and haven't subscribed, if you would subscribe to my channel. I am trying to make it grow, and every like, subscribe and share really does help. In the interim, I'm going to say I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and I will catch you next time. Bye.